Hi, hello, and welcome to our channel Recipe 360. Today we are going to see how to make a simple crab masala, which is a best combo with white rice. Do try this at home. So come on, let's go into the video. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Let the oil heat for about 30 seconds at high flame. Now add about 2 cups roughly sliced onions and salt. Saute at high flame until the edges turn light golden. At high flame, this takes about 5 minutes. Now add about 1.5 cup tomatoes and a quarter cup shredded coconut. Saute them together at medium flame until the tomatoes turn mushy. This takes about 6 minutes at medium flame. Now turn off the flame and cool down. Grind to a fine paste later. Add about 2 tablespoons oil to a kadai. Let it heat for 30 seconds at high flame. Add a quarter teaspoon fennel and saute it. Add 1.5 cups shallots. Saute at high flame for 2 minutes. Now add 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 3 slit green chili and salt. Saute them together until the onions turn nicely golden. You can add the green chili and curry leaves together with onion also. Once the onion is slightly golden, add the ginger garlic paste. Saute the ginger garlic paste for 2 minutes at medium flame. Now add the ground paste and turn the flame to low. Together with the paste, add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder and a half teaspoon cumin powder. Saute them together at low flame. After nicely sauteing the masala and paste together for 3 minutes, add the crab. Give the crab a stir with the masala. Now add about 1.5 cups water. Add about 1.5 teaspoon pepper powder. Give a stir and check the consistency of the crab masala. If you want a thicker gravy, saute it for 2 minutes at low flame. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander and turn off the flame.